All right, hello everyone. How are we doing? Right, well, we've been editing away today, so we've got a bit stir crazy in the studio, so we thought we will do a little bit of, I don't know, get a bit creative and come outside for a bit, because not that the weather's
fantastic.
Yeah, it's lovely, but sick of staring at screens. So we were watching a couple of YouTube clips from a couple of photographers and things like that, and we were talking about it as well, the equipment. There's Canon have released their new model, haven't they, just recently?
Yep.
The whole mirrorless and SLR debate, things like that, and the whole thing, people always asking us. I've just had a friend of mine ring this morning thinking about buying a camera and asking about good models and things like that to get. So we thought we'd just have a bit of fun with the old, is it the camera?
Yeah. Oh, the photographer.
The photographer. Now, we haven't got a model apart from Mikey, which is
Hello.
a shame. And we're, nothing crazy, but we thought we'd take it to the extreme. So God knows where he found it.
Should we get a zoom
Mikey
in?
has brought out the very latest cutting edge 3.2 megapixel beauty that is the Polaroid PDC-3035.
Don't they make TVs now?
I have no idea, mate. I don't. Where did you even? How old is this?
I have no idea. The memory card isn't even an SD card, is it? It's like twice the
good,
size.
promising. So I don't know if you can see it.
We can take 36 pictures.
Is it on there or is it on you?
Yeah, no.
36 pictures, and the range of settings is incredible. So
Auto and
so
auto.
what we're gonna do, and I don't know why, it's probably not gonna work. Try and do something that involves nothing to do with shutter speed, nothing to do with f-stop, nothing to do with anything pretty cool with camera settings. I don't think you can even select white balance on it.
Maybe, but I suppose it's more the subject of frame.
Well, it's going to come down. It's worse than the worst camera phone that you can ever use.
Pretty much.
So we'll try and bring it back to what we've got left to work with, which is light, obviously, which again, not the best day for this because it's a bit grim.
Nope. As well.
Your
Show again.
surroundings.
Cloudy.
And, framing and composition, cropping and everything like that. So we're going to take a little walk where it is a little bit brighter than where we are, just by the river. So if we speed this bit up, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Absolute piece of cack.
Bit zoomed in, isn't it?
Oh yeah, turn that back round, that's awful. Ugh.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
So cool. Yeah. Right, okay.
Looking for reflections.
Yeah, so there we go, after that little walk. So we've just come down to the river just near the studio, which is a pretty nice spot, just because it's a bit brighter. I'll turn this on now because I think it takes 15 to 20 minutes to model. So it's still going. What we're going to do, we've just had a bit of a look round. We've got one of the units that's still empty, it's got a full lot of sitting windows. So we're going to try and do something cool with reflection. Let's just see what we get, because they're nice and still.
So what are we thinking? What's the subject? Are you taking pictures of me?
Well, I thought of you, because people is a little bit easier
Yep.
to do stuff. We've got suns over that, well, look at it, beautiful.
What sun?
Such as it is over that way, and I thought maybe we'll try and do something with this bit of reflection, try and get
Yeah. Beautiful reflections.
yeah, so there we go.
Is it the same view coverage as the actual picture?
I think it is. No, it's not. Okay, what we'll do, pretend to look at something and try and look at yourself.
A bit more, or? How's that looking?
Don't know how to work it.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, isn't it? Like, let's try something like that.
You made me look good.
So there, I don't know if we can see it on the back. So what we've just used a bit of the reflection for the stand-up full level windows. Try and do a nice little bit of off-center cropping as well, come in a little bit, and yeah, use the little bit of light we've got. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and see somehow try and get this onto a computer.
Yep.
This is it's not a sound. We'll figure it out. Right, and have a look, and we'll have a little bit of a tweak with it in Photoshop and see what we've got. Oh look, I can see Mikey getting creative. Oh, straight away, look at that. It's not as easy as the 6D, is it, mate?
It takes about 3 minutes to take a picture.
Yeah, there is that. Yeah.
Awesome.
There we go, we
Try
happy?
the other side, yeah.
Do something on the other side.
I've keep forgetting I've got to change the mode to show you the picture. So that one's gone a bit some shadows. This one should be a bit bright. No, that's me.
Can't really see it.
You don't even see it.
It's too bright.
This one.
Loading.
There we go. Just something cool with the shapes. Just going to try the other side because I think there's a few more shapes over here.
Okay.
Can I borrow you, Andy, for one?
Arty. Of course you can.
Awesome. Right.
Right.
So can you just angle your body a bit that way? And then put your eyes
That way.
That way. There we go, yeah. Chin up.
Chin up straight out.
Right, I have no idea how this is going to frame up. Looking cool.
I think I blinked.
Oh, the model's breaking composure.
I think I blinked. Always. Good? Well,
Yeah, I reckon.
obviously.
Go for a head crop as well.
Obviously, with this model.
Right, we'll try one more.
Oh, you're struggling.
Can't tell me it's Right.
I think we can conclude.
We're running out of battery.
Definitely the cameras.
Yeah, camera's full.
Yeah, it looks.
20 years out of date.
I'm fairly certain people are wondering why on earth we're filming it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see where you're going with it though. All right, okay, all right, yeah. Happy?
I'm happy with that.
Happy?
Yeah.
Good
I
stuff.
think we should take these into Photoshop now.
Back to the studio.